All right, so now that you have gone through each sample and written on your paper which plots you're going to go harvest for each sample, all right, this table right here is the yield for each plot. All right, how much crop is being harvested for each plot. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this for my very first sample, the SRS. All right, does everyone see this table?
Yes.
All right, everyone is going to complete these 3 rows of the table. Those 3 rows of the table. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do it for my SRS, and then you're going to do it for yours. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do, all right, is everyone should be here, including David, my assistant right now. So David, you're going to be looking at this. I'm going to go back to my sample, okay? All right, so I'm just going to, it doesn't matter the order that I go to now, all right? I think my first one was actually 94, right? But it doesn't matter when you're harvesting. So I'm going to go to the second one for me, all right? The second one there. You got it? Do I trust you? I trust you? Okay. Let me just confirm as I go by. Okay, cool. All right. And I would write this down. So you write 17. So I went to that plot, harvested the crop, and got 17 crop. Okay? Bushels. I don't know what it is. All right? Everybody good? So my next one. You already know this one here? Oh, you're so good at this. I'm going to do it here then. Okay? So you're so much faster than I am. What about this one? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one on the 4th row. 43? Should I get people that are checking him? Or do we feel confident, David?
I like David. I like David.
And it's not that, first off, it has nothing to do with liking someone. It's just about being confident in them being able to do it. Okay? Let's go to this one.
I love David. 64.
64. The one below it?
69.
Now, can you go 2 to the right? 1, 2 to the right?
86.
And then that one? 86 and 99? Hold on, let me pause, let me finish, and then we'll get Catherine's question. Can you go back to this one? That's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th row. Third one over.
27.
You're the best, man. Okay, 2 more to go.
17.
17? 17
33.
and 33. Okay, what are you confused about, Catherine? So he's telling me the numbers that are from this table. So remember, it was like the second one was at 94, so that's 91, 92, 93, 33, right? So I'm matching up the ones that I'm going to. Listen, let's be quiet. Shh. I'm matching up the plots I went to, Catherine, and how much crop I'm harvesting. So that's what this table is for. So you're going to have to do some flipping to get this. Okay? Now, once you get your 10, you're going to do this for each of them, right? Once you get your 10, you're going to add them up. All right? So if you need a calculator, they're in the back. You're going to add them all up. All right? And that's going to be your total yield. Your estimate for the total yield is going to be times 10. All right? Do you see how it says the estimate for the total yield? That's for all 100 plots. So you have to take your number and multiply it by 10. So if you take these 10 numbers, we add them together. Let's do it real quick. All right, these 10 numbers, we have 17 plus 23 plus 43 plus 64 plus 69 plus 86 plus 99 plus 27 plus 17 plus 33, I get 478. Now, I get a lot of students every year that write down that number where it says the estimate of total yield. But that's not the number. That's just for your 10. So you got to multiply it by 10 to get 4,780 for me. All right? Because we're saying out of all 100 plots, I expect the farmer to be able to get a yield of 4,780 bushels. Okay? Now, the mean yield per plot is to take that number and divide it by 100. 100, because that 4,780 by 100. Charlize, if you want to divide by 10, then take your original number, my 478, and divide it by 10. That would give you the same thing. So for me, it's 47.8. These are not your numbers, right? I know I'm writing them, but you're not, right? Your numbers are going to be something else. Many of you have already started. All right, so when you get to this and you're asking questions, I'll say good luck. All right? So you're going to do this for each of the strata as well. You're going to do this for all three. All right, and then once you're done, there's one more step. I know. No, there's one more step. I shared with you this document. This document has been shared with you. So you're going to take out your phone, open the document, and you're going to find your initials. All right? It's in alphabetical order, except for me, right? I'm first. All right? And you're going to put your mean per plot. So for me, I'm putting 47.8 for this one. Okay? Everybody good? All right. All three of them.